All right, yeah, back in the kitchen, and it's time for the star ingredient challenge. I always love these little challenges, and when we get to show you how easy it is to sometimes whip up some recipes that, yeah, you just have to think about. And that's why we have people like Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles that takes us through how easy it is to do. And today, the star ingredient is brought to you courtesy the folks at Dujardin. Now, truth be told, Cheryl, I was using these products before I recognized it was
Yes.
called Dujardin because, you know, I am a kind of lazy cook sometimes. So I love our frozen vegetables and I don't have to cut up vegetables.
Well, there are a lot of people like you,
Yeah.
and that's where, this product comes in very handy.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know.
yeah.
And then to cost-wise, for some people,
Yeah.
it's better.
Yeah.
Sometimes you may buy the fresh product, it stays in the fridge, it spoils before you could
True,
use it.
true.
Whereas with Dujardin, you could take it out whenever you need to use it. And there you go,
Defrost.
defrost.
Yeah.
And then the thing about it is it's already blanched, as we say. So
Right.
you could say it's already pre-cooked.
It's pre-cooked, yeah.
So you don't.
yeah.
It's not going to take long for you to toss up with anything that you want to toss it up with.
And you know how I feel about the market?
Yes.
Where I could get...
You have a phobia.
I have
for
a
the
market phobia, yeah. So Cheryl has to go with me and hold my hand to walk through the market.
We haven't reached yet.
So,
Maybe 2020.
yeah,
We
maybe.
would reach to the market.
Maybe,
Hopefully, I'm
maybe.
keeping my fingers, my toes, everything crossed.
But there's Dujardin mixed vegetables. So
True.
I am good. I am good, Cheryl. So what are you doing for us?
So Dujardin have a wok mix, right? And the nice thing about the wok mix is, again, a lot of times we may want to do a toss-up of different vegetables. Where we
Yeah.
have to go buy broccoli.
Yes.
We have to go buy carrots.
So you know how long I spend in the market if I had to go and buy all of them. I start to pull off my hair.
Cut up
Cut
all
up all
those
the carrots,
things,
yeah.
put them together.
Cauliflower.
Right. So they've done all the work for you.
Wow.
And put it in one pack for you. And as I said, it's already, if you look at it, you see
Yeah.
it's softened. So which means it's already been blanched
Right.
and everything and just ready to go. So we're going to just do it a little simple today because we know it's around what time it is.
Carnival.
Right. And everybody is on the healthy mode.
Right.
So we're just going to saute it down a little, right? So I have some, and I'm using some avocado oil today.
Avocado oil?
Avocado oil,
Where you
which
get
is
that?
a nice healthy oil.
Where you get that? Where you get that?
I mean, it's sold in the groceries everywhere.
Serious?
Just look for it here. We have some garlic,
It's just a lighter oil.
yes,
So garlic and ginger.
and ginger.
So it's like an Asian stir fry.
Like an Asian stir fry
All right, you
thing.
get into Asian. I love ginger.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
And garlic.
Yeah, well, no,
You
garlic is king.
Let's use all then,
Yeah.
right? So we're just going to saute that down a little bit. And then we're going to just throw in,
Ready to go.
ready to go, all veg.
So you have carrots, broccoli.
Carrots,
Christopina
broccoli.
in there?
No, that's like a crispy water chestnut.
A
like,
water chestnut,
Right. You
yeah.
have baby corn.
Right, so it's a wok mix, so it actually is kind of designed for that Chinese vegetables
Right,
kind of.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
It's
we
a
just
wok.
going to put a little salt, a little black pepper, and I have a little sugar. I like to put sugar in my cooking. It brings out the flavor and it balances out everything.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too much, not for it to taste sweet, but
No,
just
not for it to
right.
taste sweet,
Yeah.
right?
You gotta have the right pinch, chef.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you gotta have the right pinch, yeah.
Right?
Pinch on your taste and a sweet pilau.
No. It's like somebody asked me if pilau is pilau without meat.
Nah. That rice and peas. rice and peas.
Right? So you don't want it as sweet as that. And you see, all you have to do is heat it through.
Right. And
you
it's
know,
ready.
And you're ready. Now, you could serve this with anything. You could serve it with pasta. If you're off the pasta or any carbs like that,
Right.
what I did, I sauteed some chicken breast.
Right. And so this is lean, mean,
Lean, mean, and quick.
Dujardin green.
Right.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
quick. You know? Very quick. Very, very quick. And there you go.
Wow.
Put some here for you because I know you on on your slim vibes.
I am doing a no carb this season. I'm trying my best. Everything I do in this kitchen, I want it to be no carb. I'm giving myself that challenge this season, Chef.
This season. Okay, so if I see you putting a piece of bread in your mouth,
please come. You have the authority to come and clout me as well.
I hope everybody heard that.
This season alone, she has that authority. But look at that. Pretty. Could I, Chef, have added the chicken and tossed up the chicken in the veg as well?
Anyhow you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to use chicken,
right,
and you want to use fish, you can do it with fish or shrimp. Which is my favorite. Some people may still be in the holiday mode and may still have some turkey and that kind of stuff lying around.
So in other words, any protein.
Any protein you can toss it up in. As I said, you can have it. This in itself is a full meal.
It's a meal, yeah.
It's a full meal. You don't need anything else with it.
A lot of white space around the plate that can still fill up, but
no, this is enough. This is a good portion size.
This is portion control.
You could feed about, let me see, 1, 2, about 5 people in this one pack, I guarantee you. If you're real greedy, the other 3 people might be in problems.
Oh my goodness. So simple. As I said, so Chef didn't have to cut up vegetables this morning. She didn't have to go in the market before she came here. She had Dujardin Vegetables. She taught it out. And it cooks really quickly. I mean, vegetables usually cook very quickly. And one of the key things that you'll always want in your vegetables is not to overcook it. You want it really nice and crisp. A lot of times we tend to cook the nutrients out of the vegetables. And it's softy. So that's why with using the Dujardin, straight from the pack, you saute it down just until it's heated through. So you make sure you saute down everything properly. Heated it through, and you're good to go. And I like I said, for you guys to try these recipes, one of the challenges in doing a stir fry like this is when you have a vegetable like carrot, and then you have one like broccoli, the cooking time is a little different. So you have to know when to put in the carrots.
You have to, yes.
Everything can go in the same time, like you threw everything. That's a fact, right, Chef?
That is a fact. You can't get away. And it is, I mean, let's face it, it is time consuming, because what you can do also, you can blanch the carrots by themselves, the broccoli by themselves, and then toss everything up together.
No, I'm not knocking fresh vegetables.
Of course not, you can't, because then it takes away from me going into the market, But again, and then the thing about it now, we live in a fast-paced environment where parents and families are busy working and that kind of stuff, and you want something quick. So when you get home and you want to do something, a nice little healthy, give the kids a little vegetables to eat, pull it out, toss it up, and you're good to go.
Good to go. It doesn't take long to cook it. It took a couple of minutes. And Chef had some Asian style vegetables here that she tossed up in her fancy wok. I love that pot.
Oh, and I forgot to give you a little.
What's that?
Sesame seed.
Oh, yeah. I could try with soy sauce, but nah,
no soy sauce. No soy sauce. We love to use this soy sauce. Don't try soy sauce. Don't spoil it.
Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, thank you very much. Chef Cheryl will be here for the entire season, showcasing some wonderful products, and we want to thank the folks at the Dujardin for making it possible. Look out for their full range of frozen vegetables, because the wok is one, but they have a separate broccoli, a peas and carrots.
A wide range. There's broccoli, there's spinach, there's peas and carrots, there's corn. You name it, I think they've put it in a pack, ready for you to use.
Ready for you to use, put in a pot, saute, and come up with all sorts of wonderful creative ideas. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, thank you very much. We are coming back.